Hi guys, it's lovely to see you all again. I hope that you're enjoying your day. It is Wednesday, so I hope that you've all not worked too hard. But with that being said, guys, we have some great news to report on Naked. So Naked stock is up by about 27% according to Google. Things are looking pretty good on this one today because, of course, over the past few days we've seen a bit of sell-off action, mainly since about the 4th of February. So we can see that this big increase today is enough to bring us in the green for the week. Now we are up in the past 5 days by 14%. The question is Naked a buy now, or should you take profits if you already own this stock? Well guys, obviously I am not a financial advisor, so this is only just my personal views and it should not be taken as advice, and it's only for entertainment purposes. But with that being said, we're not going to waste any more time and jump straight in, but it would be appreciated if you could leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel, as we are trying to grow the channel as fast as possible, and you guys have been helping us massively recently, so thank you for all the support. But with that being said, let's jump straight in. So yes guys, Naked Brands over the past day, we have seen a lot of volatility and a lot of action in the share price. You can see we started off the day on about $1.17, we're finishing off the day on about $1.52. I think that's not a bad thing at all. I think Naked Brands has been quite a hyped up stock as of recently, and I don't think that is a bad thing either. Obviously the company is trying to take itself in a new direction, we talked about this last episode, but I do see a lot of potential for this brand in the future. As of present guys, the stock at about $1.52, it's hard to say whether it is a buy, because obviously yes, it has been all over the place, but I would not be too surprised if we were to see a bit of sell-off action tomorrow. And you know what, that's not the worst thing in the world, because yes, the stock does have some big potential and we are almost touching the previous highs, and this could send the stock flying more in the future. But I do think with it being up by 33% now today, there is some real potential to see it also go ever so slightly to the downside. I mean, looking at the market guys, even towards the end of the day we are still in the green, which does also indicate that tomorrow could be positive, but I would not be too surprised if this one is negative tomorrow. But realistically guys, if you want to be getting into this one now, or if you want to be holding this one or continuing to hold this one now, I definitely do believe it depends on what approach you are going for. If you're going for this one with a short-term profits, I definitely think we come into a range where it probably is going to start to flatten out, hopefully. I mean, there is also the potential that it could carry on growing for some time, but honestly, if you'd have bought in, only when it was at about 35 cents just a few weeks ago, you'd probably be pretty rich right now, and you'd probably be taking profits with a decent amount, making almost $1 if not more per share, so that would be fantastic. But obviously if you are looking to get into this one right now, I'd definitely say this one carries quite a bit of risk with it being hyped up so much as of recent. There definitely is potential for it to drop pretty quickly, and I don't think that's a bad thing either, depending on how long you wish to hold and depending on how confident you are when looking at the company's fundamentals. And when I say that guys, I'm talking about the new approach which the brand is going for. It definitely does have some potential to turn the company around, but it just depends on how optimistic you are as to that happening. But right now with the share price, I definitely think Naked Brands is one of these ones which is hyped up by a large amount, and like I said, that's not necessarily the worst thing in the world, but I definitely do believe that this could cause a bit of a drop in the share price tomorrow, and I would not be too concerned if that was to happen. But I am pretty happy to see this one up again guys. I definitely think that Naked is starting to build up that traction that it needs. I think this one could be touching $2 before we know it, but if I was going to be buying into this one, I would definitely be waiting for the dip. I'm not saying it's going to come tomorrow, but I definitely think in the next week we will be seeing a dip in the share price, which will hopefully be a better entry point if you are confident on Naked. So yeah guys, Naked is up a lot today. I'm very happy to see that, and if I was going to be buying into this one, I'd be waiting for the dip, which is probably and hopefully going to come pretty soon, and then that will obviously present a new buy-in opportunity. But guys, I do see Naked as having a lot of potential going forwards. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video guys. Honestly, if I was going to be buying Naked, I wouldn't be too concerned about this, and I would be holding it for the more long term if I was confident on the fundamentals. And realistically, I don't think that they are bad if the company can commit to its promises and turn itself around. I think that we could be seeing a lot of profit. But please do tell me what you think down in the comment section. I'd love to hear you guys' opinions and how much money you have made on Naked so far. So thank you so much for watching this one all the way through to the end. I'll see you in the next one where we'll look at Naked again. But realistically, I think today's moves are fantastic and I'm very happy with them, but if a sell-off was to come, I think it would be a better buy-in opportunity. I would be holding this one if I had bought it at a lower point, and of course tomorrow if you are looking to buy in and if it was to go down, it would be fantastic, and I could see this one as being a better opportunity. But until we can see that sell-off hopefully happen, I think I'd be a bit skeptical to be buying into this one, because of course we do want to get this one for the best price possible. But yeah guys, there is a lot of potential here with Naked. Just if you can get it at the right price, it would be a lot better. I think right now now the right price is only a few cents cheaper, maybe in this $1.20 range, I think we'd be in a much better position. But honestly guys, I'm not sure how much it is going to drop by, but if it was to drop by any amount, I definitely would consider it a better buy point than as of current. But there is loads of potential here long term. But guys, like I said, please do tell me what you think down in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you have to say. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the very quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.